We're going to look at the agency model. So it's good to understand how a business is structured and run. This is the very basic version of what an agency is. Now, understanding this is going to help you maximize the opportunity for you within the agency, and also making sure that you've got some sort of control over your own career. Pretty much is like this. This is you, or this is the talent, and this is the agency. And this is their opportunity surface. This is what they can provide you, okay? Over here is if you become part of their business and they promote you by using their opportunities and they score a job for you, you get the income and they get a part of your income. It's all fantastic. This is great. Everyone's winning, everyone's getting paid. So what happens is they are a business and they need to make money. So they won't make enough money just off you. If they're wanting to build and scale as a business, then they're going to have to create more income. So what they do is they have more talent that they can help. What happens there is their opportunity is filled with more. So you're still getting attention, but they're also giving their attention to others. So the resources here, the resources that they offer are smaller now that they have more people there. And that's okay still. You're making the same amount of money and you're getting the same opportunity. Then what happens if this agency wants to make more and they add more people? If the agencies can increase their resources and their opportunities, so they can employ more people to manage you. They extend their marketing, they can extend their reach. All of this is fantastic. And that's what you want from a business, so that you still have more opportunity, right? And see how you've got plenty of room to fit into this agency model. But to do that, it's expensive for the business. So if they want to make money as a business and they expand the opportunity, they end up with less money because now they have an expense, more expense. Unless they charge you more for expanding, so now you have less money. That's okay to still a certain extent because you're making money and they're making money. But the more they do this, the more this changes. Okay. And that's okay. That's okay. You want to be part of this opportunity and you want to learn and grow, but it will get to a certain point where things are going to slowly change because they want to keep expanding. So they're going to keep putting more people into their agency. Obviously not too many because then this will buckle, but they're going to put in as many as they can because the more talent that they have, the more attractive it is to other people. This is the place where I find good talent, and not just good talent. I have options of those good talents because I'm looking, as if I'm an employer, I'm looking for certain looks, certain styles. I want to go to one place and they have everything there to offer, yeah, in a professional manner. So what do you do when you're in this pool of people? Yeah, you can keep skilling up and making sure you stand out within this group. Okay. And the way that you want to do that, or you start working on your own thing, is that you need to start creating or focusing on, if this is you, your own little opportunity surface. So you can start choreographing, you can start teaching, you can start marketing, you can start producing, you can start being present on social media. There's a whole bunch of things that you can do. You can start networking. And the more you do that, the more you have the surface. And the cool thing is that you can do within the agency. The agencies, if they're good agencies, will like it because you're skilling up. You're giving them more to promote. So if you expand your opportunities and your skill set, you're actually expanding there as well, which is very good. This is a win-win. But what happens if for some reason this agency shuts down and you haven't built this? So if this agency shuts down and you're all by yourself, you've got to start by going to another agency and building up that relationship and stuff like that. Or you quit and you go and do something else. Yeah. So what you want to do is build this up. And then eventually when you're ready to move on or change, or build out a business or retire as a dancer, you've built up this opportunity and this business and this value to the industry so that you can keep making your income. But what happens now is that you have all of the income instead of paying someone else. Yes, it comes with more responsibility. It comes with more skill. But I believe that this is the end goal for most people. You don't have to break the relationship with the agency. You can still work with them, but just understand that they have to focus on making money as well, just like you do. And that's what this business model does. So I hope that shines a bit of light on what's going on here. If you have a great agent, that's fantastic. And keep that resource and keep doing it. It's a really great relationship to have because it helps you out so much, especially if you're starting out, because they have other talent in there that has gone through the issues that you're going through, so they can help you. Yeah. But then understand that when it gets a bit gray, when you are trying to get a certain place and it doesn't line up, because that's the only way that the agency really works, is if your goals and dreams and ambitions line up perfectly with the business, not with the person, with the business. Where does the business want to go? Do you line up perfectly with that? Then you have a really good relationship and you're set up for success. But if those things slightly change, you have to understand that you need to have your own opportunities to keep yourself safe and to make sure that you fulfill all your dreams and your goals. But that's it. Any questions? Please let me know. See you in the next one.